Okay, just a moment. Let me call the rest. Okay, let me call the rest first. Sure. Yes. And there's a very fat hand. Who's not here? Raihana, Ira, Shafika, Sophia. Okay, let me get Sophia. Okay, just give half an hour more, Sophia. Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, we're gonna do a topic that you requested a long time back. Come, Rahena, turn on your video. Shafika, you look like a Korean guy. So it means, and Heyan, who's the fat guy? Heyan, come on, turn on your video again. There cannot be you. The fatness like that means it's very bad, very bad. Let's say we become that fat. Okay, here we go. We are going to start with, I do not know whether you have done this in your school, but I assume that some of you have, some have not. So this is pie charts. We need to just revise. Okay, and here we go. Okay, now, first of all, for those of you who do not know, okay, I'm just going to draw this on the board. Okay. So if you have a chart like this is a pie chart. Now, this, let's say I put like that, this angle or whatever lah. Like that. All this add up to, the angles add up to sum is 360 degrees. And this 360 degrees is equals to 100%. Okay, you must remember, everything is equals to 100%. So you must be able to convert from percent to angle. Let's say now I have down here 90 degrees. 90 degrees means how many percent? You all know no? Let's say I have 90 degrees. 90 degrees is quarter, right? If you do not know, just take 90 over 360 times 100. You just take the angle over the whole angle 360 times 100, you will get 25 degrees. Okay, so I hope you get it. Hayan, have you done this in school? Pie chart? Not yet. I think we have to do pie chart. Some of you are, who's the one who asked me to do pie chart? Who's doing pie chart in school? Shafika, you're doing pie chart. You're eating pie in school. No. Apa pie? Okay, anyway. All right, these are the topics you all missed last year, right? So now, okay, we want you to try, to complete the, no, this one, no. This one, no. All this you know already, okay? I don't need to go to this. We go through the pie chart down here. Can we now go through the first one? Okay, students in primary 6D. Okay. Is this correct or not? First, okay, you need to see all. Put a tick for the pie chart that shows the correct information. Okay, you can tell me whether this, we call this, you right or wrong, okay? This is A, this is B. Can you indicate A is correct or wrong? Is wrong.
Wrong.
Oh, I think, hold on. I show you the whole thing because maybe it's only one that's correct. Okay. Which one is correct? You just said that answer A, B, C, D. I'll write the number again. Which one is or are correct? Maybe there's one, maybe there's two, maybe there's three, maybe there's four, maybe there's none. Okay, so okay. Zahira, I got your answer. Ilhan, I got the answer. So Ilhan, Zahira, same thing. Okay, Ilhan, also I got your answer for the last one. Let us see whether you all are correct. Zahira and Ilhan is different for false. Which one is false? Our sister Sophia. Hey, Sophia, you must tell me which one is true, false lah. Which one? You say false, say. He says no. A is a Dajjal. It's a false. Okay. Okay lah, can lah. Dajjal boleh lega. So Husna Shafika says there's two. Ilhan says there's two. Zahira says there's one. What about the rest? Hayan, what about you, Hayan? And the rest. Sophia, how many you think is correct? Just tell us which one is correct. Okay, all right. You are telling us the first two. Okay. So Shafi, sorry. Okay, Zahira changed the answer. So far, everyone who answered said there's two correct and two wrong. So we are going to go through one by one to see whether you are right. Okay. Blue is 10, red is 10. Let us go for that first. Okay. These two have the same. So blue 10, red 10. Then the size is the same. Possible. Hold on. Blue 10, red 10 takkan like that. This one is so big, this one is so small. This one out lah. You see, you know how I'm looking at blue and red? Supposed to be the same one. Blue and red. This one is possible. Possible. This one dah gone lah. Why? Because the blue and red is the same, but the size is different. Down here, blue and red same, possible. Blue and red possible also, quarter possible. Now what else? Let's see, yellow and green. Yellow is lesser than green. Green is more yellow, but the size is upside down. Green is supposed to be more, yellow is supposed to be less. This is supposed to be green I think. So this one wrong lah. Now down here, blue and red 10-10. Okay, green 15. This one, yes, possible. Yes, this is correct. C is correct. Down here, quarter. Yellow 1/8. This one, yes, correct. Well done. Congratulations. But how do you know this is 1/8? See, the size is the same. Well, how you know? Find out what's the total. 10 plus 15, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 5, 40. So let us see, 5/40, do we get 1/8 or not? Divide by 5, divide by 5. 1/8 lah, betul lah. This one is correct lah. Then what about the rest? 10/40. 10/40, they put quarter no there. Cancel is 0. Quarter correct lah. So the other 10 over also quarter correct. Then this one over 40, you get 3/8. So that's how we get the fractions. I hope you all know how to get the fractions. Okay, we are moving on. Okay, we are moving on. It's quite simple. If you don't know, please stop me. Okay, someone just stop me. No, wrong person. Now, hold on. You cannot color, right? So now I'm gonna write the parts of the thing. This is A. Okay, this is B. This is C. This is D. Now you tell me what's A, what's B, what's C lah. It's that simple. Don't tell me what's D. Okay, D is already given. And this is so simple. You cannot do habis lah. Anyone who cannot do this, Rayana, I'm not got the answer. That means you're telling me you cannot do. No lah, it's my birthday. Okay, happy birthday, Rayana. It's your birthday. Ryan's birthday last week. Ryan, you celebrate. What do you get your brother? Do you buy him anything? No. It's okay lah. Okay. Okay, let's see. First one, Miss Zahira is correct. So far, only Zahira is responding. The rest are saying it's too easy for us. Please give us more difficult question. Come on. Zahira also giving the value. Well done, Zahira, for that. Later, you go and get a present for your mom. Zahira. Okay, don't say you are too old to get it. Ilhan, well done. Ilhan also can get it from mom. Last time I got it from my dad. Kena pukul. Sampai terkencing inside my sarung. Primary 3. I was never close to my dad. B, let us see whether it's correct. Somebody say B. Who is that? Zahira. Groeris. Well, the spelling is wrong, but Groeris is also not the second. Come on, look, lady. Come on, Zahira. Hayan. Hayan, okay lah, Hayan. Well done. Okay, Zahira, Ilhan, well done for B. Chicken, so far it's chicken, right? Easy, easy, Okay. Who is this? Wow, Husna Shafika. Wow. Husna Shafika, you're in Korean black bands now? Orange, black? Black and white? No. Yes. Okay, well done, Shafika. Well done, Hayan, and all the rest. I think, okay, transport no need to show lah. Where is JPR? JPR is not here. Okay, I hope you all are okay, Easy, So, of course, the biggest down here is A. Is it accurate? Well, the holding is 1,000, no. This is half, no. That means the total, just from looking at this graph, this chart, I know the total is 2,000. Why? Because the half is travel is 1,000. So total must be 2,000. You see, I can guess, you see? Let us check whether it's correct. This 300, 500, 800, 800 plus 200, 1,000. Another 1,000, 2,000, correct. Well done. So A is travel, B is, salah lah. How come B you put meals, Sorry, I think B, Zahira, you're correct lah, Zahira. Okay, this one is A. A, you look at the size biggest lah, A. B is smaller than C though. So this must be B lah. This is C lah. This is D, alamak, you all. How come so many says that B is meals? So because I say B is meals, cannot be lah. Meals, you see, C is bigger than B though. Okay, I assume you made an error lah. Zahira says, but you corrected me wrongly. Okay lah, Zahira, I'm sorry, Zahira. I thought you were wrong just now. But now I realized you were right the first time. And all the rest were wrong. Okay, I hope you can see this is here. C is quite big, right? It's here. B is smaller, right? Have to be here. D is already given. Okay, never mind. We'll move on. You must be able to do this. Why? Because when you work in office, even if you are a school teacher or nurse, they're going to use pie chart. Say, why? Are they going to eat the pie chart? No, you must know how to read the pie chart. Okay, why they have that pie chart? Because it's easy to read. Okay, we try this one. They want you to write fractions. Allahu Akbar. Sophia, you know what's the fraction for the whole thing? All of them? You know, right? One whole, One whole. Tengok ni. Tengok ini. Ini. You can do it. Can you stop telling us you can do it? We know we can do it. Okay, sorry. Raihana, come on, Raihana. Use the birthday power lah, Raihana. So what birthday power? Okay, let us see now. Congratulations, Zahira. First one correct. Well done. That's the way. Who is this? Duhan. Salah orang. Bukan student. All right. Collecting stamps. Miss Shafika cannot be. Are you saying it's collecting stamps the same as baking? Is it the same size? Baking is 1/12 or so, no, Shafika. Cannot be, Shafika. You are eating too much pies. Is it true? You like apple pie? Don't like, only like milkshake ni. Okay, Zahira, well done. Well done, Zahira. Okay. Wah, tak mau kalah, bully the cousin dengan maths. So it's good lah, that's the way. Okay, you never know. Once you become managers and whatnot, you all need to know how to do this, no? Okay, even if your class have not gone through pie chart, it's okay. This is supposed to be a P6 topic. So there are a few topics that is not covered at P6 last year because you all had the COVID. Same thing is happening this year to the P6. One of them is speed, the other one is pie chart. So we need to go through this because pie chart, it integrates fraction, percentage, and angles together. Okay. Shafiqah, reading cannot be lah. Cannot be more than half lah, Shafiqah. This one is half, you know. 7/12 is more than half, you know. 6/12 is half, you know. This one is less than half. Cannot be lah. Cannot be. Shafiqah, come on. Come on. Shafiqah, you're going to be someone high ranking ni. Don't show me the Korean person lah. I don't like the person, Korean guy. You know why I don't like the Korean guys? Sophia might be very upset now if I say that.
It's not Korean.
Like, not Korean? It's what? Singaporean
Malaysian.
Malaysian Muslim really? Betul ya? Okay. Okay, Ilhan, well done, Ilhan. You got that one correct. Well done. It must be able to read this. This is life skills, please, life skills. Raihana, come on, Raihana. This is more than just cutting up the pie, you know. This is the pie of your life, the pie of your heart. Next time when you become a mother or wife, you will say, husband, how much of my heart do you love? He says, half, quarter? No. And at first, they will say, the women will say, yeah, actually, my heart is full of my husband. But once you get children, the husband, they put aside. Is it true? I don't know. Reading, Miss Ilhan, cannot be reading. If you say 1/3, cannot be 1/3. You must change it all to 12. Hello. Change everything to 12, you can count. It's 1/12. Change this to denominator of 12. Change it to 12. This one is the same, right? Change it to 12 also. Then you can count. So far, Datin Zahira already got the answer. She's very bored now. Hayan, what about you, Hayan? Come on, Hayan. Hayan, nowadays his answer very slow. Come on, Hayan, come on. That's why now I understand why you show me the fat. Boy, please don't be like that. You know, very difficult to lose weight once you become very fat. I have one friend, forgive me for saying, but the son was very fat. The son at that time was very fat. And then recently I saw the son very skinny, man. You know what he did? Went for surgery of the stomach or something. You can cut the thing, make the size of the stomach small. So you just eat a little bit and you feel full. You know there's such surgery going on? Wow. Okay, Husna Shafiqah, well done. Okay, so now some of you all are getting lost. So we do not know about Sophia. Okay, come. Okay, now you see, now the whole thing is 12/12. We agree, One whole is equals to 12/12. It can be 5/5, but why did I choose 12? Because it's the biggest number that all of them can be changed into. So now this is 1/12. So your balance 11/12 is where now? From here to here, no? You know? This is 11/12. Why? Because that's the balance one. Okay, then 1/4, how you change? You times the bottom by 3. Times the top by 3. What do you get? 3/12. Okay. This one same size, right? Same size also. So 3/12 also. So you count now. You got 3, 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Total is 12. 12 minus 7, you get the balance 5. 5/12. You all get it or not? You can make all of them 12 units, 12/12. You minus 1, you get 11/12. You minus 3, you get 5/12. You all know why this is 3/12, right? Because this is the same as this one, 1/4. All right, we'll move on. Okay, I hope you're okay. Okay, if you're not okay, I will roughly know whether you are okay, not okay lah. Now percentage, same thing. See, I don't know lah. This one, you change as I taught you. Total how many degrees? 360, right? You form the fraction and times by 100. Use your calculator. You say how many degrees? 90. Total, you put below here. And then you times by what? Times by 100. Simple formula. Okay, come on, Chayo. Come on, Ilhan. You're going to be someone important in the future. Now you become the president or something. You need to read all this pie chart. The worst thing, all of you become president. Let's say, apa ni pie? Please, I cannot be like that. Sophia, you might be the president someday. Sophia, you know you might be the president. You don't want to be president. You know what the Arabs call a president, right? President, because there's no letter pa. Right, Singapore. Okay, well done. Congratulations to Ms. Zahira. Very fast, Zahira. Husna Shafiqah, so sorry, there's a mistake. You have done your conversion wrongly. Please check. Zahira, you learned this already, Zahira. You learned this in school. In Sec 1. Wow, champions, eh? Okay, Zahira, well done. Ilhan, well done. You forgot the percentage sign, Ilhan, but it's okay. Well done for that. And then no glasses, how many? Shafika, take 90 over 360. I think you take 90 over something else. Who is this down here? Okay, come on, Sophia. Sophia, come on. You can do it, Sophia. Hey, and hey, what about you, Hen? Very simple, very simple. In fact, you don't need to change 90 even. You know this one you can cut into how many? I can cut into 4/4 lah. I got learn a bit. Yes. Oh, Sec 1 have not. Means your, well done, Sophia. That means your memory is very good. Okay, Shafika, well done for both now. So this one is 1/4. You can take 1/4 times 100 lah. What will you get? Okay, Rahana, well done. 25%. You see, I do know it's 1/4. Then just take 90 degrees lah. 90 over 360. See, will you get the same answer? Yes. 90 over 360, you get 1/4 also. Times 25, this one 75. See how to get 75? 100 minus 25 gets 75. Should be easy, eh? Again, I repeat, you all are going to see pie chart in the future. Even if you go to army, you might see it also. See why? A lot of places use pie chart and the graph. You need to know. You need to know. You cannot say, I don't want to know. Okay, we try now. Macadamia, hazel, almond. So remember how to make fraction, take that part over the total number. They give you all the numbers. So you can do this, Okay, I'm going to check. Oh, hazel. Well done, Ilhan, for hazel. For those of you who do not know what hazelnut is, find out, because there have been people writing songs about hazel, saying to the man saying to the woman, you have hazel eyes. Okay, but of course, if someone that says your husband or you whatever, you say you got granite eyes, I think you got to be very careful. Okay. Well done, Zahira. Well done. Well done, Zahira. Ilhan, how many percent is that, Ilhan? Come on, Ilhan, you can do this, Ilhan. Well done, well done. And what about the rest? Let me see. Who has sent? Okay. Okay, Almond, let's see, Almond. Almond, well done. Zahira, well done, Almond. So far, the only person getting almond correct, for percentage is Zahira. Very easy. If you have the fraction, you just times by 100, you get the answer. Hazel, you don't even need to count. You know how many percent this is. It's half, you know. Half is how many percent? You should know. Macadamia. Macadamia, well done to Miss Zahira. She has completed everything, Zahira. Collect your present from your mom later. You know what it is. If not, your sister Anika can give it to you. Okay? But don't chew it her. Although there's extra flesh. Sophia, come on, Sophia, Rayana, come on. Hey, I'm running this class as if I'm selling durians now. Ilhan, come on, Ilhan. Hey, where are you, Hey? Come on, hey, and don't be overconfident. Just now I was overconfident in teaching someone. I made a mistake. Cannot be. 3% is very little. Take 20 over the whole thing. 20 over the whole thing. Say over what thing? How many? 20. What's the total? 80 plus 60 plus 20. 80, 160. This one you can get fraction. Or you know the fraction just times 100. Actually, you don't even write this. They already give you down here. Just times by 100, mister. Any fraction of decimal you times by 100, you get the percentage. Okay? Yes. So you will get what? 12.5%. Well done. This one, 50% away. Half what? This is half. You know this is half. This one is the other half, right? So you can take half minus 1/8. You get 3/8. You say, I don't know how to do this. You can also do it this way. 37.5, you divide by 100. Then in your calculator, you press the fraction button, you get 3 over 8. Now let us check whether it's correct. 50 plus 12.5 plus 27.5, 100%. 38 plus 18 plus half, you put inside calculator, you get 1 whole. So it's correct. Okay, so let's see. Sophia said macadamia. Okay, well done, Sophia. You collect the macadamia nuts from, from I don't know who lah. Okay, here we go. Easy, right? Okay, next one. For large, you should know. Once I give you 90 degrees, you know already. Give you 90 degrees, you know. How to change from here to here? Just divide by 100. 10% you do 100, you get the fraction here. 70 by 100, you get the fraction. Come on, come on, come on. You must be able to do this. Come on. There are some people, they fail their exams. They don't have a university degree, but they know these basic maths. They can become millionaires. Why? Because they use this knowledge in doing business. So make sure you use your knowledge lah. But most people don't use their knowledge. You only memorize a lot, but most we don't use. Let us see now. Sophia, wow, Sophia very small lah. 1/1000 is too small. You just take the 10, divide by 100, Sophia. You don't just, remember percent is always over 100. So 10 over 100 is how much? You reduce the lowest term, you get the answer here. Let's see, Ilhan, well done, Ilhan, for question number, for large, correct? Okay. Zahira, you got the first one correct. Small. Most probably you're correct lah. No. Oh, you're correct, Ilhan, well done. Your small is correct. So for percentage, so change it to fraction. Okay, those of you not sure how to do, very simple. I will guide you through. I do not know. I don't see Raihana here. So just take 10 over 100. You see, this is the fraction, yes, but you must write it down in simplest form. Down here is 10% is over 100. You know, this one is over 100. You see how you get 1/5? I show you. 20 over 100. You see this? You cannot get 1/5. You cancel the 0. Cancel 2 over 10. You divide by 2. Divide by 2. 1/5. Same thing. You cancel. Sophia, get 1 over 10. Then the next one, which one? Large, you know this one, how many degrees is this? 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay, 90 over what? Over 360. Reduce it. Correct, the whole thing is 360. Well done, Raihana, for small. Ilhan, well done. Ilhan, you have not converted to decimal. Raihana, well done. Okay, for small. So down here now, you reduce, divide, you get 9 over 36, divide by 9, 1 over 4. Oh, so how to get percent? Times by 100, you get 25%. See how to do now. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 25, 55. What is this? 100% minus 55, get 45. I repeat, you already know 10%. You know 20%, you know 25%. All together, how many? All together, it must be 100%. So all together, 100%. Take 100 minus 10, minus 20, minus 25, get 45. Then how to get? Yes, well done, Zahira. How to get the fraction? Yeah.
For the fraction, 45. For the t-shirt sole, is it 40 over 360?
For which one?
The large.
40 is the large. 90 over 360. Yeah. Right? Because 90 degrees. 360 degrees, this one is degrees. Down here, 45%. You want to use percent? Over 100. Okay? So you reduce, divide by 5, you get 9. Divide by 5, you get 20. 9 over 20. Please, you must master this, please lah. Okay, I'm repeating, I'm telling you, you are going to use this in the future. Okay, don't be like, you know, I met so many workers. You know, they have supposed to learn this at primary 6, Sec 1. And then they say, hey, boss, I don't know what to do. Hey, help me out, please. I am very scared. They are going to be like that in the future as workplace. You got to be calm and cool, relax. The more you know, the more valuable you be. Because I cannot replace you. So you'll see the difference between people who use their learning and those who don't. For me, I use my learning, okay, you can do that also. Just writing alone. Writing alone, do you know that writing can bring you so much money if you want to lah. Okay, but anyway, I won't distract you on that. You try, Mr. Kumar. This one already, they tell you what is a fraction already. You will know. You look at the thing, you know already. For A, you know. Come on. Shafika, well done. So far only Shafika has gotten it. Come on. Hey, girls and guys, you all know what to do lah. Come on. Zaida, come on, you know. Then they tell you already what you do. Take this times what? Times 5 lah. That's easy. Well done, Shafika. You've completed first. You've overtaken your cousin. You have now taken. Okay, well done, Zaira. Well done. Okay, Zaira is catching up. And see cousin rivalry. Yeah. Sophia, what about you, Sophia? Are you doing that, Sophia? I am doing. I promise you, I am. Come on, Sophia. Come on. Zaira. No. The last one is which one? Look, Zaira, you got this one down here given. You have given the answer for this one. Total is 9 over 9, you know. Just minus these two lah. Come on, Zaira. What about the rest? Shafika, don't go out that guy, Shafika. You're too young. Sophia, what do you think about Shafika going out that guy? Too young, kan? It's okay. Bida. Ilhan, come on, Ilhan. Hey, come on. You guys, you all are not focusing lah. Ian, I think you're not focusing also, Ian. What are you doing so far? The last few, I have to report all this to your parents. Don't be surprised. I just report. You know why? Sunday, for half a year, you'll be giving answers, and Sunday you don't give me answers. Something is wrong. Either too easy or too difficult lah. If too easy, you must show me, prove to me. Okay, very simple lah. They tell you it's 5 times the transport times 5 lah. 1 over 9 times 5. Times 5. So it's 5 is 5 over 1. Sophia, 5 is 5 over 1. Sophia, focus. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 times 1 is 9. Look, this is the time to focus. You only got 1.5 hours a week. So, this is 1 9. This is 5 9. How many 9 is this? The total is 9 over 9. 9 over 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 5 is 3 over 9, but they want you to write in simplest form. So, you divide by 3. Yes, 1 over 3. So, the answer is 5 9 here. 1 over 3 here. Now, I know you might find it boring, but remember, those who focus and do this, they are going to benefit. Those who don't, they're not going to benefit. Okay, we cannot force you guys. So don't force me. Okay, I will not forcing you. I'm not forcing you. but I owe it a duty to report to your parents lah. Why? Because they are paying money and they are expecting you guys to master maths. Clue, huh? Well done, Ian. See, here now, once you enter gear, very fast. Well done, Zahira. You don't need to find all. You just need to, yeah. Come on, Shafika. Come on, come on, Shafika. This one, they tell you how much. They want all. Well, no. That one in degrees, Zahira. Dia dah confused Zahira. That is degree. Don't be confused, Zahira. You dah mabuk sikit lah. What are you drinking? Ginger beer without the ginger? Hammer? Allahu Akbar. Ian, what about the rest, Ian? No. Cannot be that. They're confused. This one now. Ian, well done.
See, is vanilla and mint the same?
Huh? No. Not the same. Okay, we're gonna lead one of you. We're gonna ask Miss Shafika. Shafika, this one is 150. Do you agree that chocolate is half? Then the other half of the 150, what's the total, Shafika? Easy not? Yeah. How much? 300, right? Okay, good. Now, Sophia, cannot be 168, Sophia. This is 150. Don't go in plus so this 12. 75. 75, correct. Now, how do we know? Zahira, just divide this 150 divided by 2 lah. You get half, 90 degrees. Just divide by 2. 90 degrees. Hello, Anika. Hug your sister. Okay, she has done quite well, except for this sum. Okay, you can hug her. Anika. Okay, so I just repeat down here now. You divide by 2, you get 75. Now, why is it some of you making mistake? Because you're not making a differentiating between percent, angle. Some of you say 90. At this 90 degrees, not 90%. These pupils now. So down here is pupils. They want to know how many pupils. So we divide this by 2, get 75. Just be careful. You guys can do this. You guys can do this. It's too simple. Okay, here we go. Sophia, you can do this, Sophia. Sophia, I can do this. I believe in you, Sophia. Do you believe me? Yes. I believe that you have the power. Now, that doesn't sound like Yoda. That sounds like Kermit the Frog. They want you to write what? You can write in a... Wait. But how do you know the number, Mr. Ilhan? Wait. Oh, yeah. Well done, Ilhan. Well done. Wait, hold on. Okay. Ilhan is correct. Well done. Yes. I made a mistake. Yes. Congratulations to Shafika and Ilhan. What about Zahira? Come on. No. Zahira, they give you it down here. No, Miss Shafika. Sophia. P6 is 28. How much is this one? Yes, well done, Hen. This one, same thing lah. Well done, Hen. What about? No. Okay, so now, one of you start showing me like that. Once you show me like that means you are already rojak, you know. Okay, I know you eat Indian rojak, but you don't do this for maths. Huh? This one is what? Degrees. You cannot minus 28 pupils lah, tak boleh. You know why? Because you can take pupils minus pupils. This one degrees mana boleh minus the pupils? Cannot. Same thing. So now then how? You see 90 degrees here? This one 90 degrees, this one must be 28 ah. Why 28? Because this is 28, they tell you. Sophia can see not? This is 28, so it's on 28. Then this one, 28 plus 28 are 56. It's also half. Finish. Easy, right? Zahira, you get it on Zahira. Yeah, you see 28, 28, huh? Careful, careful, careful. So now some of you get 200 plus, you know why? Because you take 28, 28, you plus 180 degrees. Again, you all know that degrees is not a human being cannot plus, you know. Please, you cannot plus here. I get total number of people cannot, because this is people, this degrees, you cannot. So I want you to clarify, sometimes you have percentage, sometimes you have people, sometimes you have what angle lah. So be careful. Okay, let me just see. Oh, one small, one big, tak apalah. Okay lah, I draw for you lang here lah. Okay, never mind. They draw small, tak apa. It's okay. Small, big, never mind. Doesn't matter. Okay, it's still 90 degrees. Why they draw small, big, I also do not know. You're correct. I must tell the publisher. Okay, not different angle lah. So long as they put a square there, it's 90 degrees. Okay, let me check. So you can send me your confusions and all that. You can send. You know, I'm getting for some classes, they send me questions. So you do not know. They send me the questions. And then they will improve because they're doing very fast. They are improving. I leave it to you. Hold on. Okay. I'm not going to force anyone. Come on. Zahira, you are champion at this, Zahira. Come on. Tembok Manu family. Okay. Don't allow Shafika to win. Shafika, sorry. No. Okay. Allow Shafika to win. Okay, don't allow. Just allow. Okay, wow, very fast. Very fast. Aduh, so easy, Okay, so easy. Congratulations, Zahira. She got the first answer in. I do not know where Raihana has gone to. She's doing something else in. Oh, Raihana is there. Raihana, thank you, Raihana. I thought you were in La La Land. Sorry. I realized you are back in reality. Let us see now how many guppies are there. Congratulations to Zahira. Ilhan, well done. Haka minus 0 tak boleh lah. Tak boleh minus 0 ni apa ni? Oh, 10. Okay. Boleh. Okay. So, Sophia. So, what's your answer, Sophia? Okay, well done. So, everyone agree this one, the first one is 10. Well done. Very high, get 10. In case you don't know, 30 minus 20, 10. Well done. And the next one, how many guppies are there? I think you should know. Well done, Raihana. So far, Raihana and Zahira has gotten an answer. I think the rest have not gotten an answer. Not even Hayan. Hayan used to be one of the fastest. Now he's no longer the fastest. Maybe he's the fastest still. Well done, Sophia. Well done, Raihana. Hayan one is previous question. What about Ilhan? Ilhan, you just stop at 10. Come on, we do the next one. Come on. Say how to do. This one is straight line. It's half. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 minus 16 lah. 50 minus 16, you get the answer. What do you get? You get 34. How you get 34? These two now, if you do not know, these two is 50. 50 is half. Half, down here. So this half must be 50 or so lah. 50 minus 16, 34. What fractions of the fish are guppies? Very simple. Come on, very simple. Very simple. What fraction of the fish are guppies? Fraction means well done to Miss Shafika. She has gotten it first. Congratulations, Miss Shafika. Showing that Aljunied is the premium school, secondary school, Aljunied. Sophia, well done, Sophia, but they didn't ask you in percentage. So you must make your, okay, you all know it's 34, kan? So 34%, correct. because 50 total is 100 lah. So now you put 34 over 100, you reduce lah, reduce. Well then here, divide by 2, you get 17 over 50, okay? All right. It's quite easy, right? Some of you say, yeah, well done, Sophia. So some of you say, easy, that's why I don't need to do. Please don't say that. Because sometimes you'll find, many times when I do work, I think it's easy. I'm doing your work, some stuff I say I don't check, easy lah. And then I start teaching, I get stuck. Why? Arrogant lah. We should not be arrogant. Allah doesn't like us to be arrogant. Arrogant means we think we are better than the rest. All right, here we go. Senang lah, John. Well done, Zahira. Score the final goal, Zahira. Do it, Zahira. Score it. Rayana, come on, Rayana. I know, Rayana, slow down. Why? Don't makan lagi. Every time at the grandma's house, you eat very late. You know, it's not good, Rayana. I think you might develop a tummy, you know. You find that we try to put your finger into the belly button, it goes in very deep. That's one sign of a fat. All right, Shavika, well done. You are catching up with your cousin. But who will score the goal? Okay, Sophia, well done. Hayan, well done. The last one, you need to score last one. Whoever scores last one wins. And Shafika scores the goal. Once again, Aljunied has proven itself to be the premier school in Singapore. Rahana, well done. Congratulations. Second. Your school came in second. And what about the rest? Come on. Very simple, very simple. Say, I do not know what's the percentage for a quarter. Ian, can it be Ian? 160 for everything, I think. They didn't ask you, they asked what percentage of the pupils walk to school. So you did not answer the question here. Let's see. Yeah, Rayana, you got, okay, Rayana answered the last one first. Okay. So Ilhan, well done. Ilhan, congratulations. Now, first of all, you got to be very clear that the whole thing is 100%. We are talking 100%, eh? So this one, how many percent? Okay, you can find out lah, 100%, how many percent? 90 degrees over 360 degrees times 100. So why I do this? This is 90 degrees. The total is 360. I will write it as a fraction times 100, I get 25%. Or this, you just times 100, 25%. This is also 25% lah. So how to find walking? 100% minus 25, 25 minus 12.5, you get 37.5%. Very simple. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. You have to believe in yourself. Because Allah made all of us winners. Allah did not create dodo, no? You know dodo? No such thing as dodo. Okay? He never created. Oh, there's some more question. Sorry, I didn't show you. Can you complete it, the question, please? How many people are there altogether? I think, Hayen, you have answered that. So there's 3 more questions. Please try the 3 questions. I'll push it up slightly. So sorry. I thought there was only 2. See, I don't understand what this means. This means the bus is how many times of the car? The number of people taking the bus is how many times of the car? That's what they're asking you. Well done, Shafika. Ilhan, got to check. Yeah. Hold on. Huh? Oh, yeah, Ilhan. Sorry, you are correct, Ilhan. For question D. Here you got to check. Yeah. Ilhan, your answer is correct for question D, yeah? So this one is 25%. Those of you say, I don't know how to do question C, very simple. Just take the bus, number of people taking the bus is 25 over 12.5. Use your calculator, find out lah. What do you get? You get 2. So this is 2 times of this. Cut this down here. This is 12.5%, 12.5%. Okay, so we have already done this one. How many people are there together? Ilhan has given answer. What about the rest? You know. Come on. Zahira can guess, can. They tell you down here. This is 80, no? 80 is 1/4. Well done, Shafika. Now you can do that. This is 80, 1/4. This is 80. This is 80. This is 80. 80 times 4, you get 100%. 80 is 320. Okay, so the last one now. Well done, Shafika. Well done, Ilhan. There are so many ways to do these questions. You can do by percentage, you can go by comparison, so many ways. And you need to understand the different ways. Because next time when you're in an office, workplace, people talking about, it can be any job you're doing. Well done, yeah. It can be any job you're talking, people talking, let's say, you are working as a social worker. In cases of students who take drugs, let's say, how many percent, then they're looking at pie chart. Then you're wondering, what is this pie chart all about? Zahira cannot be right. Why you get 1, 2, 4? Cannot. Okay, down here is 80. You see, this one is how many percent? 37.5. See, I can divide this into what? 25 and 12.5. 25% we already know what is 80 what. So down here is 80. This one half of 80. Yes, 40. 80, 40, 120. What about other ways? Very simple. You know that this 37.5%, correct? What's the 100%? 100% is 320. We know already. We do this also can. You times, you will get 120 also. What do? I take the percentage over 100% times the number. Notice we are doing fraction, percentage, degrees, all in one. Very, very interesting. Okay. Here we go. We're moving on. Must be able to do. Basketball. I'm not calling you basketball, but Ilhan, basketball, Ilhan. This question is about you. Ilhan, this is a basketball question. Okay, it's for you. Okay, we'll organize a basketball match to see how good you are. Shafika, what are you thinking? Shafika, you look very nice. Is there an orange inside it or what? What is that? All the things that you drink looks very nice. I think I want to use you for advertisement for drinking. it? Zahira. Let's see. Well done, Zahira. Very fast. Very good. Very good. Very good. Ilhan can Hayan can do this question here. It's a little bit challenging now, getting higher level already. Not as easy as earlier. I know earlier one is chicken for you. This one how you can do not? Prove it, prove it, prove you can do. Okay, those who are stuck in the first one, volleyball. This one they say is twice of this. So volleyball is half of basketball. You do this now. Half of basketball times half lah. Can you see now? Half of basketball. You will get the volleyball. Half it. Say half to half. No, not 3 over 10. 20 times 2, 40. 3 times 1, 3. Yes. Now it's correct. Don't 20 divided by 2, you get 10. Then that means 310 is bigger than 3 to 20. You know? What fraction of the people chose swimming? You know all this already, what? This one is, okay, I write for you, it's not 1/4. How I know 1/4? 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees is always 1/4. 1/4. In percentage, is 25%. 25%. But now I write it so that you can find swimming. 1/4, 320, 340, 1/4. You add all of it is one whole. You can change everyone to 40 lah. Send 340, right? Make it 40, make it 40, make it 40. You can find the balance. Okay, Zahira, I have not count. Hold on now. 6. Congratulations, Zahira. Zahira, very fast, Zahira. Zahira, very good. Zahira. You'll make a good maths teacher or good businesswoman. You can calculate very fast, very good. Sophia, let's see now, Sophia. So Sophia, 23 over 40. Okay. How you get 23 over 40? This one is 10, 10 plus this one 23. This is 10 over 40, right? Times 10. Times 10. Correct. This one you times 2 times 2, you get 6 over 40. Correct. You get what I'm doing? Yes, right? I times 2, I get 6 over 40. Now you got 10, 6, 10, 3. What's the balance here? What's the balance here? Come on. Total number of parts is 40 parts. 40, no, 1 over 40, tak boleh 1 over 40 lah. Calculator. Takkan is 1 over 40 so small? You're drinking too much milkshake lah. Cannot, the sugar, too much sugar. Yeah, confusion. Let's see. Yes, 11 out of 40. Okay, how to do? Okay, remember the whole thing is one whole. One whole can be 40 over 40. Yes, Sophia, well done. 40 over 40. Then you minus 10. Why minus 10? 10 over 40 is quarter. Say how you get 10 over 40? There's no 1 over 4. I times by 10 times by 10. Then I minus the other quarter. Oh, there's 2 quarters. Yes, there's 2 quarters. Where's the other quarter? The badminton. 1 quarter, another quarter. Then this one, 320. I change it to 40, I get 640. I get 640. 3 times 2, 20 times 2 get 6 over 40. And the last one is 320. Not $3.20, 3 over 20. So you minus minus 10, 30, minus 10, 20, minus 6, 14, minus 3, 11. 11 over 40. Okay, we are moving to the next one, okay? I'm going to minimize it so that you can use some of these numbers. Okay, now they say, how many people choose badminton? Sorry, you need to see like that. Can you all see now? I hope you can see. Cannot see, tell me, okay? out the answer. Wow. Yeah, please carry on, Sure. Okay. No, yeah, I just write down the answers earlier. There's now a 3/40 here. Down here we did what? 11/40. How many people choose badminton? You find out now. The one choose swimming is 110, no? Badminton is how many? 10/40. 10 parts. This one 11/40. 11 parts. 11 parts is 110. 10 parts is how many? You know. Come on, you know. Hold on now. I cannot see what you have written. Yeah, please. Please. Go and take your water. Take water. No problem. Okay, well done. Zahira, you're the first one who got the answer. Well done. I repeat, you can compare like that. There's no swimming, you say 11, right? 11/40. 11 parts is 110. 1 unit is how much? 1 unit is 10. 110. Now you got 10 units. No? You want to know badminton 10 units? 10 units how much? 10 times 10 lah. 100. How many people took part in the survey altogether? You know. Come on. You know. Quarter is 100. How many quarters are there in the whole pie? So why are you talking about pie suddenly? This is called a pie chart. The circle. Okay, if you can't, the thing I'll draw for you. Ini sini sini. So down here now, we say there's 100. For which one? Badminton. Badminton is a small one on here. Yeah. All these are quarters. All quarters. So how many persons are there all together? You know. Come on. You can see. You can do. Come on, Rahana. What about you, Rahana? I think you all are tired already. I should be tired because I'm speaking non-stop. Well done, Zahira. Very good, Zahira. Yes. Sophia, don't divide by 4. This one is 100. This one 100. This one 100. Don't become lesser lah. You see, 100 person play badminton. Altogether, how many person? 25. Upside down. Tak logic lah. You get what I'm saying, Sophia? Sophia, you confused. Okay, Sophia. Down here, you understand is 10 units. 10 out of 40. At 1/4, you agree? This is 1/4, right? 90 degrees. Then there's now we add a 0, become for 10 units. This is 10 out of 40 units. Total 40 units. Down here we found out 11 out of 40, 11 units. 11 units is 110 pupils. 1 unit is 110 divided by 11, you get 10 pupils. So 10 units, how many pupils? 10 times 10, 100 pupils. 100 pupils for 1/4. How many quarters are there inside in the circle? 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters. Each of these is 100. 100. Not 200. 400. 100, 200, 300, 400. This one's 100, Correct. Yes, Rahana. Are you okay? Or you send me a message. Rahana, you got it? You understand, Rahana? I don't know, you raised your hand, yes, sir? Have you eaten? Not yet. Don't punish yourself like that. Every time you go to Nene's house, aside on whenever you go back to school on Monday, you're always slimmer than Sunday. Anyway, from Sophia's look, she look confused. Sophia, you confused, Sophia? you're upset. Okay, never mind. Sorry. Yeah, sometimes we get upset. It's okay. If I'm reading how you look, you see. So yeah, go. Those of you want to go to the toilet, go, but don't stay too long inside there because some people say there's jinn inside the toilet. I'm not joking, seriously. Okay, here we go. So the last one. How many people chose basketball? So Zahira says 60. Ulana Zahira, I've not gone through basketball. Basketball, yeah, 60 is correct. Because there's now, we remember 320, we changed to 40 is actually times 2 is 6 over 40. So it's 6 units. 1 unit is 10, 6 units, 6 times 10, 60. Well done. Okay, well done, well done. Okay, we will try now. Hold on, I just cleared. Are you all okay or not? I do not know whether you're all okay. I hope you're all okay, Okay, if let's say you feel hurt by what I say, I'm sorry. I don't mean, I'm just trying to make the lesson interesting. So there's better ways to do it. Okay, I'm still learning actually. Okay, we try this one now. Now, floss, you all know what floss is. I do not know whether you all know, but can I just show you very quickly? We take a just quick break. Floss. So you have chicken floss. It's very nice. Last time I ate without knowing, like that. The floss is like this lah. Makan, but don't know whether it's halal or not. Okay, they say surrounding. Okay, they even sell pork floss lah. For your info, there's pork floss also. Okay, if you don't believe, you can also put pork floss. Sama, look almost the same lah. Say golden, see, look at this. Golden crispy pork floss. Be careful lah, because you have different punya types of floss lah. Okay. Right. Sometimes when you don't mean to taste it, but you are walking, you know, there's one very famous Chinese shop selling pork in the mall. What is it? Something I forgot what's the name, but let me see. It's like satay barbecue pork. I think you all know. So you all can like smell it, you see. Just for you all know, to know where is it? What's the name of the it's a thin satay slice. Anyway, but you know what's the name of the pork? Huh? No, the name of the shop. Bi Chiang. Why am I telling you this? You all have walked past this shop before, no? You have, you know. Sometimes you smell. Then they sell like that. Wow, like dinding, like dinding. Sedap, this one down here, this shop. Have you all seen it, no? Sometimes you walk past, you can smell it because they're tengah bakar this thing down here, no? So just be careful, just in case you develop a desire for it. Okay, I have a relative, just for your info, who during, you know, pregnancy, women have all sorts of desires. She had the desire to eat the Chinese, not halal noodles, you know. This person, you know, funny what she did. The husband go and buy for her. In Malaysia. So just be careful. Okay, come back to this one now. I do not know whether you are listening to the story I'm telling, but anyway, that's the break that we have. To the question number 3, please. Pie chart again. I thought we are doing floss, right? Just now. Oh, floss, yeah. Bending. Okay, floss bun, that means there's floss inside the bun. You all should know. you all there? Are you all there? Please come in. Please come in. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. We have only 18 minutes more. Okay, I will tell you some interesting stories about food in a moment. If you want to, you all are tired already. Just this last question, then I will tell you something very interesting. And hopefully you don't do the same thing, please. Okay, because I have friends who did it and I do not know. Dah penat dia. Sophia penat ni, Sophia. Sophia frowning. Macam banyak masalah. Of course, I'm a teenager now. I have lots of problems. Alamak. I want the rest. Come on. Mr. Hayan. Miss Shafika. You say changing your video. What happened? Changing your camera now. It's gone. Rayhana, you're still in the toilet. Come back. Stop playing with the JINN. Okay, they're asking what percentage you can do now. Or they're stuck lah. They're stuck. Okay, we take a short break lah. I'll tell you all about this, okay? Please don't do this, Please do not do this again. I'm going to show you, Down here. You see all this? When I was in the army, I had one friend of mine, Muslim friend of. You know what he did? You know all this apple and all at the altar? You know the Chinese people pray, they put out here. He go and collect them, he go and makan them. Is it allowed, Sophia? Can we eat all these apples? Cannot, this one. Allah says you cannot eat this apple, no. The one they go in sembah, they do as offerings to worship. Cannot eat, because you do not know what's inside them. Because it's a jinn or whatever. Okay, but he went and eat and told him you cannot eat this one. He said, you used to eat all the time. Oranges, apples, go to makan. You look this one now. You see, kalau tak makan, then wasted. Yeah, but you are not allowed to do this. There's a verse in the Quran which says you are not allowed to eat food that has been offered to the idols. Tak boleh. You know? Okay, so don't eat that. I had another one. Let me see. What's the other one? I forgot what I wanted to tell you. Anyway, never mind. Okay, we get back. Sorry. But I do not know. You all are okay, not okay. I forgot what's the other thing I wanted to tell you. All right, so now we are dealing with what percentage. So you know what percentage this is. You try to memorize lah. 90 degrees, this is quarter, correct? Quarter. This one is in what? You can have like that. Fraction. Then this one in degrees. Put small bubble. So 90 degrees. Okay. In percentage, you must memorize. When you see now quarter is what? 25%. Memorize. Okay, if half, you know what? Is 50%. And half, you know, is 180 degrees. Right? So in your mind, you must be able to see all this separate here. So this one is how many percent? 25%. Say what was the total percentage of the coconut buns, cheese bun, and kaya bun? Very simple lah. You just take 100% minus 25. 100% minus 25. What do you get? You get 75%. 75%. Next one. There were 140 coconut buns. This one is equal to 140. 1/3. Now I draw 1/3 is like that. It's like your Mercedes lah. Mercedes brand, you have some Mitsubishi. Okay, this is 1/3, and they say 1/3 is 140 bahts. This in one whole, how many thirds are there? 3/3, right? 3 1/3. So you can do the simple way like that. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is one whole. So you want to find how many buns were sold altogether? 140 times 3. Okay, 140 times 3. What do you get? 420 buns. How many chicken floss buns were sold? Chicken floss 25%. Just say 25 over 100 times 420. Okay, you'll get the answer. Some of you say no need to use that, use fraction because 1/4. Right? So divide this by 1/4 can. You divide by 4 also can. Can. You get a faster. Yeah, it's both same. So what's the answer? 105. Okay. I hope you all are okay. Okay, there's more question on here, but we move on now. We move on. I'm not too sure whether are you all here. Your mind is here. We move on, we try, because this you must master this, okay? It's very, very important. Okay, now this one you try on your own. Okay, question. Your clue is here. See, clue is here. Very simple. Come on, very simple. Come on, Shafika, Rehana, come back. Rehana, come in so long in the toilet, Rehana. Turn on the video, Rehana. Don't pretend to be the toilet. You have not eaten dinner. Shafika. Come on, you know what this is, right? You know what this is, right? Same amount. You can solve it, you can solve it. Okay, I will show you the answer in about 2 minutes time. But no one is sending me answers. I mean, you're too tired already. Too fast lah. One person is sending. Congratulations, Miss Zahira. Okay, Zahira is correct. So I'm just going to show this is $40. So Zahira knows this is half one. 100 plus 40 plus 40 is 180. $180 is half. The other half is also 180. So you times by 2, you get $360 for the first one. In what fraction of his money was spent on shopping? As a fraction. Shopping. Very easy. Come on. Very simple. Come on, hey. What fraction of his money? His money is 360. Shopping is how much? Shopping is 40. Come on. 40 over 360 lah. Takkan you don't know. We know, but we are too tired. We do not want to participate. Don't be like that lah. Your parents pay the money and leave. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 1 over 9. It's as if I'm teaching my own self. 1, 9. Okay. Next one. Okay, we are going to go a little bit higher. So you try now. Hold on, let me clear some of it. I'll write down the. Okay. Okay, I will write down the first two answers there. You all try the C and D, please. We got 8 minutes left. Come on, just 8 minutes left. Try to push yourself, You're half a doubt. See what half a doubt. See how we dwarf. Paying bills to save. 2 is to 1. Paying bills to save. 2 is to 1. You know how to do this one? So sorry, Zahira. How much is this whole thing, Zahira? Altogether, how much? You know what? How much is this whole thing? 1/2. You know, right? Don't ask Anika lah. You won't know the answer, Anika. Just pretend, you know. Come on, you all know what? This one altogether, how many units? Is equal to here. Can just now we already know this one's 40. Some 40, 100, 180 what? So this 3 is equal to 180. What is 1? Come on, guys, girls. Come on. Shafika, you are in the dark now. Last time you were as if out in a tree of knowledge, up in the sky, in paradise. What happened? Aku termakan apple lah. Jangan gitu lah. Don't eat the wrong apple lah. Come on. Total is 3 units. 3 units equals to what? 100 and what? 80. This one 180, this one 180 also. So how to do this one? Very simple. 3 units, 180. And then 1 unit. Just divide by 3 lah. You get 60. So savings is 60. This one's 120. Okay. You try now the last one. So this is answer down here is 60, yeah? Okay, we do the last one now. Last one. What's the ratio of the amount of money saved to the amount of money spent on food? Save to spend on food. 60 to 40 lah. 60 to 40. Come on. 60 to 40. Bring it to lowest term. Come on. Divide by 2. 3 is to 2. Okay, easy, yeah? All right, our last question. Inshallah, last lah. So I hope you all can do it as a test, please. This to show whether you can have mastered or not. Yeah, 30 to 20, you can still reduce further, Zaira, and make it 3 is to 2. Divide by 10, divide by 10. Okay, the last question as a test, and go. Try. Let's see whether you're right. Miss, well done, Miss Sophia. A, correct. Will she graduate? She needs 3 questions to graduate. Well done, Ilhan. You got the first question correct. You got 3 more questions to graduate. Come on, the last question. Prove that you have mastered this skill. Come on. Ilhan, the next one. Ilhan, the next one, they're asking you how many times, not percentage. That means if you compare comedy to documentary, how many times is comedy to documentary? Well done, Sophia. 2 more questions. Zahira, A, correct. Ilhan, B, correct. Ilhan, 2 more questions for Ilhan. Zahira, 3 more questions. The rest have to stay back for remedial. Yeah, I will go through with the rest, more questions. Come on, Shafika, come on. Shafika enjoys remedial, she said. Come on, Shafika. Ratio of the number cannot be 90%. This one 15%, 30%, 15%. What's the balance? Total is 100%, Anna. No, you got to check again. You got to check again. It's not correct. Not correct. Sophia, okay. Sophia, you can reduce it to lowest terms. So you can divide by 5. Let us see first whether you're right. Drama. So you can divide by 5, Sophia. Ilhan, no, Ilhan, you already know cartoon, you know how many, right? How many percent? Drama, you know how many percent drama to cartoon? Yes, well done, Sophia. One more question, Sophia. One more question. So this is 15 to something, Mr. Ilhan. 15 to how many percent? Raina, madam, for the first one, you got 3 more questions to go. No, D. D, let me see. 10% is something. Sophia, well done for D. Congratulations. Ilhan, the answer is bigger than that. Sophia, you have graduated. First person to graduate. Your school, I forgot the name of school, is proven to be better than Alginate. Congratulations, Sophia. Yes, you have heard the story of the 3 to 10. Okay, we go one by one. 3 to 10, no, okay. So down here, one by one. This one is how many percent? 100% minus 15 minus 30 minus 15, you get 40%. So this is 40%. And what about you here? 40%. How many times people like comedy compared to documentary? Comedy is 30%. Documentary 15. You divide, you get 2. So comedy is 2 times of documentary. They ask you now, children who like to watch drama is 15%. Ratio to the children like cartoon, 40%. So this one, Ilhan, you must divide by 5, divide by 5. What do you get? You get 3 is to 8. I repeat, 3 is to 8. Uh-oh. 3 is to 8. The last one. 240 children like to watch cartoon. 40% is 240. What is 10%? You can find 1% or so. 10% you divide by 4. Divide by 4. This one you divide by 4, what do you get? You get 60, you know. So 10% is 60. What is 100%? You times by 10. 10 times 10, 60 times 10, 600. So that is, I won't go through pie chart anymore. I assume you all know about it, but I'm a little bit worried about your participation. Any topics you want to go through next week, please send a message to me. Okay, you can send now. Any topics that you want me to go through, if not, I will choose a topic. Any topics that you are feeling confused by? Anyone? Or you can send a message to me directly. Okay, I'll catch up with you next week again. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.